So we continue with the control program on leprosy. Paucibacillary rifampicin you take for 1 month, 600 mg supervised, dapsone 100 mg unsupervised. Strategies for NLEP during the 9th 5-year plan: identifying case detection and MDT coverage in high prevalence states and areas difficult to access, strengthening lab services, PHC and CHC, establishing surveillance, preparing for and initiating horizontal integration of leprosy program into primary healthcare system, providing greater emphasis on disability prevention and treatment, implementation of modified leprosy elimination campaign, ensuring rehabilitation of cured patients, repeal of discriminating provision under Marriage Act where leprosy is ground for divorce. Orientation of NLEP in India: central level DGHS and NLEP officer, NLEP Commissioner for Planning and Policy, state level Director of Health Services and state NLEP officer, regional level NLEP officer, Leprosy Control Unit, Survey Education and Treatment and Urban Leprosy Unit, key of role persons. Role of key persons: health worker, identification of persons with hypopigmented patches or thickened tenderness, help and motivate VHG to detect such cases, and ensure that cases are clinically examined for diagnosis, ensure that the treatment is taken regularly by all cases till cure, motivate defaulter to take treatment regularly. Educate patients on care of feet, skin, eyes, etc. Educate members of family and community by imparting correct knowledge, dispel misconception, misbeliefs, help to remove stigma, examine contacts of diagnosed cases for presence of hypopigmented patch, thick tender nerve, keep record of suspected cases and cases under treatment. Village health guide role: identification of persons with hypopigmented patches and getting such persons examined clinically, reassuring diagnosed cases of cure if treatment is taken regularly, and motivate them to take such treatment as long as necessary, keeping in touch with cases to ensure that the treatment is taken regularly. Educate family members about the curability, infective nature of disease and remove misconception if any. Educate community by imparting knowledge, dispel misconception, beliefs, help to remove stigma. Health assistant supervisor supervise the activity of the health worker, compilation of reports. Medical officer responsibility: confirm suspected cases of leprosy, maintain register of cases under treatment or defaulters, supervise activities of health assistant, ensure drug supply, compile records and assess the activities with the help of indicators, find out the problem faced by health worker, health assistant during the monthly meeting and try to find the solutions, inform, educate patients, conduct and populations, infrastructure, the leprosy control units, survey, education and treatment centers, leprosy urban leprosy centers, the leprosy control units. These are established in endemic areas with 1 medical officer, non-medical supervisor and 20 paramedical worker, each unit covering a population of 4.5 lakhs. Each paramedical workers covers a population of 15 to 20,000. It is expected to examine at least 8,000 persons per year. Survey education and treatment centers. The team consists of 1 paramedical worker for 20 to 25,000 population, 1 medical officer for every 5 paramedical workers. These centers are attached to PHC. Urban leprosy centers, 1 established for every 30 to 40,000 population. At central level, the leprosy division of the Directorate General of Health Services, New Delhi, is responsible for planning, supervision and monitoring of the program. 1983 institute involved in anti-leprosy activities: Central Leprosy Teaching and Research Institute, Chengalpattu, Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute, Gauripur, West Bengal. International agencies such as SIDA, Swedish International Development Agency, the Danish International Development Agency, WHO, UNICEF, and Damien Foundation, etc. World Bank supported NLEP. The first phase 1993 reduced the prevalence rate and increased MDT coverage, 550 crore used. The second phase 2001 249.8 crore, including the World Bank loan of rupees 166.35 crore and WHO to provide multi-drug therapy, drug free of cost. Modified leprosy elimination campaign, multibacillary cases, rifampicin, clopazimine, Tapson. Duration of treatment is 12 months. Follow up once a year for 5 years. Paucibacillary cases, single nerve lesion, rifampicin, Dapsone. Duration of treatment 6 months. Follow up for a year for 5 years. Single skin lesion. This is the treatment: rifampicin, ofloxacin, minocycline, and follow up in a year for 2 years. The campaign, it comprises a package of 4 activities, namely teaching and training of all health staff, intensified IEC activities, case detection by house-to-house visits to detect new leprosy cases, correct and complete the treatment. Urban Leprosy Control Program 2005, initiated in 2005 to address the complex problem of leprosy cases in urban areas. Assistance 422 urban areas. Population size 1 lakh. Urban areas are grouped in 4 categories: township, medium cities, mega cities. National Action Plan for 2006 to 2007, continue the efforts to achieve the elimination of leprosy, to maintain the gains achieved, and to continue the efforts to achieve elimination at block and district level, to make quality leprosy services available. Strategies of NLEP: decentralization of NLEP to districts and states, integration of leprosy services with general health care system, leprosy training of GHS functionaries, early diagnosis and promote MD through routine and special efforts. IEC using local and mass media for reduction of stigma and discrimination, prevention of disabilities and medical rehabilitation, intersectoral collaboration, monitoring and evaluation. Leprosy elimination monitoring this consists of assessing the performance of elimination campaign on various issues like case detection, quality of services like treatment, IEC activities, drug supply and management, carried out by NIHFW New Delhi, and every year in 12 endemic states for 3 years since June 2012. A slogan is: prevalence rate is reduced to less than 1 by 10,000 populations. Indicators for evaluation and monitoring: proportion of suspected leprosy cases investigated to the total outdoor patients, proportion of new cases detected, number of skin smears taken, and the number found positive for leprobacilli. Inventory control of items under NLEP, especially drugs, disability prevention and medical rehabilitation services, dressing materials, supportive medicines and ulcer kits. Microcellular rubber footwear is provided for protection of insensitive feet. NGOs in the country and 42 government medical colleges have been strengthened for providing reconstructive surgery services. An amount of ₹5,000 provided as incentives to each leprosy affected persons from BPL family undergoing reconstructive surgery. Support is also provided to government institute PMR centers in the form of ₹5,000 per reconstructive surgery is conducted. The main activities carried out during 2009-10 were as follows: implementation of DPMR activities as per guidelines and reporting its outcomes, integrating DPMR as services, to develop a referral system, responsibilities of a nurse, find the source of infection, assist in the examination of household contacts, education, help the patients and family to understand the nature of disease, observe all patients in clinic, demonstrate nursing care, assist diagnosis and treatment, follow up, assist in rehabilitation, participate in programs. New updates. Conclusion.